Thank you for watching this video on the Overhead Products Thermazone IR mobile heater. This is a low-intensity electric infrared heater manufactured by BBC Industries, made in the USA and built to UL standards. This IR mobile heater was specifically designed by Overhead Products for mechanics working on specialty fuel vehicles to keep them warm and comfortable. Designed for NFPA 30A Section 7.6.6 compliance, not to exceed 750 degrees, makes the IR mobile heater safe for use where specialty fuel vehicle repairs are performed. The IR mobile heater works with 208 or 240 volt single phase. If the unit was accidentally knocked over, this unit is equipped with an internal tip switch that would shut the power off. The IR mobile heater will easily move around the shop or workplace on a heavy-duty yellow cart. The IR mobile cart features hard rubber tires, so you won't have to worry about filling the tires with air or puncturing them. The yellow industrial cord comes in a 30-foot length. The standard plug is a 250-volt industrial angle straight blade plug. You may also order without the standard plug, allowing you to install your own plug end on the existing cord. The yellow electrical cord wraps onto the outside of the cart for safe, easy storage. The IR mobile heater will cover a workspace of approximately 10 foot by 10 foot. Perfect for a mechanic to warm their own personal workspace. Another benefit of the heater is that the infrared energy is also radiating onto the vehicle the mechanic is working on. If a truck is icy or cold, the infrared will also heat the truck, adding to the mechanic's comfort. When this heater is used in auto body shops, the infrared heat will contribute to faster drying times. It's important to operate the Thermazone IR mobile heater in a dry space. This heater should never be operated in the rain or in any standing water. If the shop floor becomes wet or standing puddles form, discontinue the heater operation and dry the space before resuming work with the IR mobile heater. To protect users from the heat source, a protective grill covers the flat panel and will not burn to the touch. The flat surface on top of the heater should not be used as a working surface. This space contains important safety stickers and should always be visible to the end user. A 2-hour timer controls the on and off. This adds safety in the case that a user is away from the workspace being heated. The timer will automatically shut off the heater after 2 hours. To operate the heater, simply plug it in and set the timer to the desired working time, up to 2 hours. Turn the timer back to the off position to turn the heater off. Safety and maximum comfort to the end user are the purpose for this IR mobile heater from Overhead Products. Thank you for watching this video on the Overhead Products IR mobile heater, safe for specialty fuel vehicle repair facilities. Contact us anytime to learn more, and let's connect on social. www.overheadproducts.com.